Hello. What's your name?
Kit.
Yes, my name is Kit. How old are you? Sit nicely. How old are you? How old? I'm. Are you 3? Okay, I'm 3. Good. High five. Are you ready? Okay. What do you see? Is it a goat or a pig?
Good.
Yes, I see a goat. Good.
It's a pig.
Yes, it's a pig. What do you see? I see.
Dog.
Very good. What do you see?
Cat.
Wow, very good. What do you see? Well done. Okay. What color is the pig? What color? Is it red or pink?
Pink.
Yes, color pink. It's pink. And what color is the dog? It's yes, very good.
Black and white.
Yes, well done. Now next one.
And black.
And black, okay. Oink, oink, oink. What is it?
Pig.
Yes, it's a pig. Good job. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Yes, well done, kid. Moo, moo, moo.
Cat.
Wow, very good. Quack, quack, quack.
Duck.
Yes, good job. Okay, what does a cow say? The cow say neigh, neigh, neigh. And what does the horse? What does a cow say? Very good.
Cat.
Yes, well done. And the cat? High five. Kid, you are good today. And what letter is this? What letter?
Cat and the one letter.
No, what letter is it?
A.
Yes, and this one?
B.
Yes, and this one?
T.
Yes, good. Okay. What letter is for cat? This one or this one?
This one.
Yes, and what letter is that?
T.
Yes, C. And for ant? This one or this one?
This one.
Yes, well done.
Egg.
A, good job.
Egg.
Awesome, kid. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye, very good.